Good morning, guys. So I saw this question on Google again while I was looking for topics related to pickleball. It said, is pickleball a good workout? And that's a great question. You know, I'm a physical therapist. My name's Tony Maritato. If you don't know me, I've been in Middletown, Ohio, treating pickleball players for a lot of years. And one of the things that I love about pickleball is, yeah, it's a good workout. It's a great workout. It includes strength, it includes power, it includes coordination, and all of the things that we want to do as aging adults. So I love pickleball for lots of reasons. I love the social aspect. I love the camaraderie. I love that I can go out and meet new people, and truly I've never met an angry or foul or frustrated pickleball player. Like, they're always so welcoming to a new player like me coming into the sport. But in terms of workout, it's all about your intensity. It's all about what your goals are. If you're out there to socialize, awesome. Do it. Get it done. Enjoy it. But if you're out there to break a sweat, keep the intensity up. Reduce the duration of the rest breaks. Find players at your level or slightly above your level that are going to challenge you, that are going to make you move around on the court. You know, on this channel, this YouTube channel, I've got other videos talking about footwork for pickleball and other exercises, and I plan to continue to add videos to the channel. So if you want to know anything specific about pickleball or making pickleball your primary workout routine, like any of the cardiovascular benefits, the strength benefits, absolutely post questions like that in the comments below this video, and I will catch you on the next video.